Bird migration is an amazing phenomenon, but it only happens twice a year for a reason. There's a ton of setbacks in migration for the length of journey that they undertake. The main ones are usually exhaustion and starvation. Thousands of miles of travelling is enough to wear anyone out, even with the measures they have in place to stop it happening. Ever-changing weather can cause disruption, whether it's abruptly like storms and lightning, or more long-term like climate change, which can disturb food sources in foreign regions. And then you get more predators available or man-made obstacles such as turbines and buildings, which pose a more upfront and immediate threat.